Russian President Vladimir Putin's bodyguards reportedly carried a poop suitcase to collect his fecal waste during the Alaska summit with U.S. President Donald Trump, as reported by the Express US. Novinta media outlet says that the unusual security measure was said to be aimed at preventing foreign powers from obtaining information about the Russian leader's health. Putin's bodyguards collect his fecal waste and bring it back to Russia when the leader travels abroad, the Express US reported. During Putin's meeting, strict security measures were in place to protect Putin. He was surrounded by bodyguards, and a number of steps were taken to protect him and Russian intel. Citing investigative journalists Regis Gent and Mikhail Rubin in the French publication Paris Match, the Express US reported that members of the Russian president's Federal Protection Service collect his human waste, including his feces, store it in special bags, and carry it in dedicated briefcases. The measure reportedly dates back several years, including Putin's visit to France in May 2017. The Express US reported it is suspected that the surprising security measure is undertaken to stop foreign powers from taking samples of Putin's human waste, potentially gaining information on the Russian leader's health. Journalist Farida Rustamova also reported that such measures existed during Putin's visit to Vienna, where he used a portable toilet. She said that a source revealed the president has carried out the practice since he began his leadership in 1999. The Express US reported. The reports came amid ongoing speculation about the 72-year-old president's health. Concerns have been raised over the years after Putin appeared to be jerking his legs during a press conference in Astana, Kazakhstan last November. Dr. Bob Berukim had suspected that it could be a neurological condition such as Parkinson's disease, according to the Express US. Putin was also seen twitching in his seat while meeting Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko in 2023. In 2022, the Kremlin also moved to quash rumors circulated by the General SVR Telegram channel, alleging that Putin had soiled himself after a fall, the Express US reported. Experts say that US President Donald Trump literally applauded Vladimir Putin as he walked along a red carpet laid out in honor by genuflecting US troops. After warmly greeting the Russian president, whose full-scale invasion of Ukraine has so far left more than 1 million people dead and injured, a US B-2 stealth bomber, flanked by fighter jets, roared overhead, but Putin seemed unintimidated by the spectacle. This was, after all, his long-awaited coming out of International Isolation Party, a political gift bestowed upon the Kremlin strongman who is indicated for war crimes at the International Criminal Court by a US president who called him his friend, Vladimir.